NCERT teaching and non-teaching posts. So guys, you are hearing right. NCERT has issued a recruitment notification for teaching and non-teaching posts. So let's see the full details. So you are watching here this article. You can get this article on highpayingjobs.blogspot.com. So now I am showing you the details here. So you are watching here the important dates. Starting date is 29th of June 2020 and last date for application and payment is 3rd August 2020. Admit card date is 10th of August 2020 and exam date is 12th of August 2020. So application fee, you're watching here for general, OBC and EWS it's 1000 and for SC, ST, PH and for women's it's exam date. Payment will be made through debit card, credit card, net banking or bank challan. Location, this job is for all over India. Age limit is as on 3rd August 2020 as per rule. So vacancy details for NCERT teaching non-teaching posts. Post name professor, associate professor, assistant professor, librarian, assistant librarian. Professor, for professor post there are 38 vacancies. Assistant professor 83 vacancies. For assistant professor 142 vacancies. Librarian 1 vacancy. Assistant librarian 2 vacancy. So educational qualifications. So educational qualification for associate professor and assistant professor candidates who possesses post graduation degree and PhD in a relevant subject will be eligible for this post. For librarian, candidates who possess master degree in library science, information science, documentation science with at least 55% marks or an equivalent and must have experience of at least 10 years as librarian at any level in university library or 10 years of teaching as assistant and associate professor in library science or 10 years of experience as a college librarian will be eligible for this posts. As for assistant librarian, candidates who possess master degree in library science, information science, documentation science with at least 55% marks or an equivalent and must have consistency good academic record with knowledge of computerization of library with net in the concerned subject will be eligible for this post. Requisites for this online application: scanned photograph, signature, other relevant documents. So selection will be based only on interview. There is no written exam. So you can you can apply here directly by clicking on registration link. So and you can also download notification here. So guys, I am including the link of this article in the description box. You can visit the link and you can apply directly from there. So that's it. Okay, bye.